Hello everybody. So the time finally came. We got to see the brand new Maserati MC20 that we'd been waiting for a long time. The release date was supposed to be earlier this year, but it had to be pushed back. So yesterday I happened to see the spy shots of the MC20 and turns out it was the real deal. So I was watching it live today and I'm pretty impressed at how the car looks. I like the scissor doors. So I really like that aspect of the car. I also like the subtle look of the car, not overly aggressive, because they were able to give it downforce by using the underneath of the car. And in my opinion, if a car ends up having such aggressive shapes, over time, I think it tends to look outdated quite fast. Like this Gran Turismo, I like the proportions that it has, not overly aggressive, and I think that's what makes it still look good to this day, even though it's been out since 2008. So I think that new MC20, I like the proportions. I think it'll age quite well for the years to come. So I definitely like the shape of the car and the performance. I do wish it would have had a V8 though. Not really impressed with the sound. I am really impressed in the performance of the engine. 625 horsepower out of a V6 twin turbo 3-liter, 7,500 RPMs. So I'm also looking forward to see how the electric's gonna perform, because the gasoline engine's already impressive as it is. So the electric being all-wheel drive, the performance will just be even better. I like the simplicity of the interior. It doesn't seem to have way too many buttons. I think this is what Maserati needed, because Maserati started out in the racing, and I think this will put it back in track. I think this will definitely improve the image of the brand, and I don't think this new supercar will depreciate as fast as the rest of the Maseratis have been doing. It's kind of like how I was able to get this Gran Turismo in 2 years' time and depreciated 50%, but I don't see that happening with this car, but we'll see. And if it does depreciate that fast, then I could consider it as a future purchase. But anyways, what do you guys think about it? I think it's a right move for the brand. I think this is what they've been needing all along, and it's great that they're getting back into the racing world. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.